To make sure say things they go well as planned for Edo State in terms of infrastructural development and also for educational sector, Edo State Executive Council don't approve some big contract and give go ahead for renovation of some public schools plus reconstruction of roads for Ovia Northeast, Esan Northeast, and Oredo local government areas for the state. Commissioner for Information and Communication, Honorable Paul Nwambamu, and they yarn this one when they brief Tori people for ESCO Chambers Government House after the weekly State Executive Council meeting, with Governor Monday Okpe will preside over as the Shemo.
Also approved today the procurement and supply of 4 Prado Jeep, 4 Toyota Hilux van for the Edo State Oil and Gas Producing Area Development Commission.
It constantly say they don't approve the purchase of vehicles for Oil and Gas Development Commission, and say they don't also terminate some major projects across the state to avoid overlap.
Award of 3 roads, construction, contract construction. The 3 roads are, of course, construction of Uzia Road in Esan Northeast local government, reconstruction of Country Road off of Bar Road, Benin City, construction of Uhun Road in Ovia Northeast. ESCO also decided that today. Today, ESCO approved award for the renovation and revamping of some dilapidated public schools in Edo State, Phase 2, Lots 1 to 17 for basic education.
From Benin City, Lucky Eigimeto, they give us this story for GTV Nigeria.